Vrindavan in India, Vrindavan, this Braj Mandal, Trasikosh Vrindavan, is the only place in India where a sadhu can go house to house and be happily received and be fed. He can go anywhere in Bengal, in Navadvip Mandal, he can go anywhere in Orissa, or Maharashtra, or Gujarat, or Uttaranchal, or Tamil Nadu, or all these different provinces. And he goes to the door, hey, sadhu, jao, police, hello, police, some dadiwala, some beardwala coming to my door. He looks, I think he's terrorist. I think there's one terrorist coming to my door. Vrindavan, hey, Maya, Radhe, Radhe, Maya. Acha, oh, sadhu baba, kaise hai? How are you? Fine? How's your bhajan? Here's one roti, one big fat chapati with ghee on it, pure ghee that she churned herself for her Gopal deity. Oh, hey Baba, you take this one piece of Purani Gur. This is old sugar, old jaggery Gur. It's very sweet. The older, the better. Old is gold. And then he puts it in his joli, in his bag, his begging bowl. And this is Vrindavan. That's why Vrindavan is so full of sadhus, because there's so much prem bhav here.